I want truesteam. 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 Truesteam.
Hey, it's all good to have truesteam, but do you know how it helped your second skin?
My second skin?
Yes, your clothes. Shouldn't they have truesteam care too? The all-new LG antivirus washing machine now comes with truesteam. This eliminates viruses, germs and bacteria and revives your clothes.
Wow.
With the LG ThinkQ Smart app, you can control your washer from anywhere at any time. You can even wash 2 different loads at the same time with Twin Wash. And when you're in a rush, you can wash your laundry in just 39 minutes with Turbo Wash 360. And AIDD technology detects things and cares through artificial intelligence. It gives 18% more fabric protection so your clothes last longer.